Here I have RAZER Phone, and let me show you how to block some number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the list of all applications, find and select the contacts, choose the menu key right here, choose settings, and now select the blocked numbers option right here, and you can check out if you have some numbers that are blocked, so you won't receive calls and text from these numbers. If you would like to, you can add another one by using the add a number right here. Let's tap it, just input the phone number and this number will be blocked. So let me input some random number, tap block, and this number will be blocked for you. You can also remove this number right here, tap unblock. Alright, so that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.